Welcome to this technical guide on the iRobot Roomba E5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your iRobot Roomba E5 runs out of battery quickly, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to battery wear over time or a clogged filter which causes the vacuum to work harder than necessary. If left unaddressed, it can lead to decreased performance and potentially permanent damage to the vacuum. To start the repair, you will need a replacement battery, a Phillips screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, ensure the vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the bottom of the Roomba. Be careful to keep track of the screws as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover to expose the battery compartment. Take a moment to locate the battery, it will be directly beneath the cover you just removed. To extract the old battery, gently pull on the connector tab. If it feels stuck, do not force it, as this may damage surrounding components. Grip the battery firmly and lift it out. When inserting the new battery, make sure the connectors align properly. Push the battery down gently until it clicks into place. Now, before reassembling, it's a good idea to check the filter. If it's dirty, clean it using a soft cloth or replace it if necessary. Doing so will help maintain optimal performance. Once everything is in place, replace the cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure they're tightened but avoid over-tightening as this may crack the plastic. Finally, turn the vacuum back on and check that it's functioning correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, regularly clean the filter and ensure the vacuum is not used on excessively dirty surfaces which can strain the battery. Additionally, consider replacing the battery every couple of years to maintain your Roomba's performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.